Status Report 2021. This is Agent Aluminium reporting to the Galactic Empire. Successfully blended in to what is called a middle school, and today we're going to be going to a manufacturing facility. I'm not sure, but these students say that there's something cool about it.
Hey Al, it's time to go!
I have found out that this area has a long history of manufacturing metal, going all the way back to the beginnings of this country. We have arrived at PRL Inc., and we have met with a guide that is going to tell us about what they do. Maybe I will learn what is so cool about manufacturing. PRL was started more than 50 years ago and started as an X-ray spec company, but now they have expanded the casting and machining of the products and upgrade facilities. This manufacturer pours castings that range from 1 pound up to 18,000 pounds. The smaller castings can take a few hours to cool, but the larger ones can take days. They manufacture items such as propeller shafts for large naval ships and condenser boxes for nuclear reactors. The most difficult metal that they work with is a nickel-based alloy because it is very difficult to melt and it's very gummy and hard to pour. Our group was capturing some images as records of our trip, but our guide said he had to delete a large number of them because the images were top secret, so watch out for the guide on future trips. He will take much of cool images. I have discovered many things about what manufacturing metals is all about, from large to small pieces made in foundries, machined, and upgraded. PRL makes everyday items to top secret parts, and that's what's so cool about manufacturing. Now to figure out what this TikTok thing is everyone talks about.